The Belkin Difference, pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. Plug-and-play USB-C to HDMI adapter that allows for charging. Charge while your device is in use with pass-through power up to 60 W. Supports 4K HDMI video with resolutions up to 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz. Belkin's AVC002TTBK requires the USB-C port of the host device to support DP Alt mode. Please confirm the USB-C port specification of the host device with the device's user manual or manufacturer's website. Compatible with Mac and Windows laptops, and other USB-C devices. The USB-C to HDMI Plus charge adapter connects to your laptop or tablet via USB-C port, giving you both an HDMI port for video display and a USB-C port for power. Its plug-and-play design works universally with Mac and Windows laptops and other USB-C devices. It offers portable flexibility that's great for classrooms, conferences, and trade shows. You can keep your device charged while using your video display. Featuring pass-through USB power delivery up to 60 W, your device will charge while displaying your content. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly. We've been streaming from our tablet to our TV with no issues, and the tablet stays charged.